Hi guys, today I'll show you how to do the revolver glitch on PS4. It's the most easiest glitch you can do, and I promise if you get used to it, you will never fail. Now, let me show you how to do it. First, you obviously need any kind of revolver. Then go into first person. After that, sprint for 3 seconds and stop. Then press L1 and R2 at the same time, then release. Make sure the gun shots the first bullet automatically. Then empty the mag till the last bullet and press R2. This is what's supposed to happen. Now, let's try it with the other revolver. Still works. It also works with the Navy revolver, but I don't have it. This glitch only works with revolvers only and won't work on any other gun. And don't worry if you have an ps4 revolver, it will still work as long as it as a revolver. I'm not 100% sure that it only works in first person, but you can try. Dies from death. Anyways, I hope this video helped you. My next post is probably gonna before the casino heist, or maybe better. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. Bye.